Ever felt like wrangling your finances is like trying to tame a mythical beast? We get it. Between budgeting, investing, and navigating the ever-changing world of crypto, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where services like Kraken come in, promising to be your one-stop shop for all things digital currency. But hold on, landlubbers. Before you set sail on the Kraken seas, you need to check your map. See, Kraken, like any good captain, respects local regulations. So, the big question is, can you even use Kraken in your state? Don't worry, we're here to navigate the choppy waters of state regulations and chart a course for your financial future. In this video, we'll be diving deep into which states are currently Kraken compatible and explore some of the reasons why regulations might vary. Now, buckle up, because things can get a little technical, but we'll keep it clear and concise. Understanding the regulatory landscape. First things first, let's talk about the Wild West of cryptocurrency. Remember those early days of the internet, where anything seemed possible? That's kind of how crypto started. There were few rules, and innovation ran rampant. But with that freedom came a lot of risk. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to best regulate this new and ever-evolving technology. The result? A patchwork of laws and regulations that vary from state to state. Here's where things get interesting for Kraken. Since it operates as a cryptocurrency exchange, it needs to comply with the specific regulations of each state it wants to serve. Think of it like needing a different fishing license for every lake you visit. The Kraken compatibility map. Alright, enough metaphors. Let's get down to brass tacks. As of today, July 4th, 2024, Kraken offers its full suite of services to residents of a good portion of the U.S. Here's a quick breakdown. Kraken-friendly waters. This lucky group enjoys full access to Kraken services, including buying, selling, and trading a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. These states generally have clear regulations in place for cryptocurrency exchanges. List of Kraken-friendly states. Limited access zones. These states allow residents to use some of Kraken's services, but with limitations. For example, they might not be able to trade certain cryptocurrencies, or their investment amounts might be capped. List of limited access states. Uncharted territory. A few states are still figuring out their stance on crypto, and Kraken isn't currently available to residents in these areas. However, crypto regulations are constantly evolving, so this list could change in the future. List of uncharted territory states. Why the regulations? So, why all the fuss about regulations? It might seem like a bureaucratic headache, but there's a good reason for it. Remember the Wild West analogy? Well, a lack of regulations can lead to some serious problems, like fraud and scams. Without clear rules, bad actors can easily take advantage of unsuspecting investors. Money laundering. Cryptocurrency can be attractive to criminals looking to hide their ill-gotten gains. Market manipulation. Without proper oversight, the crypto market could be vulnerable to manipulation by large players. Regulations are designed to protect both consumers and the overall health of the crypto market. What this means for you. Now, what does all this mean for you, the savvy crypto enthusiast? Check your Kraken compatibility. Before you get too excited and start building your crypto portfolio, make sure Kraken is even available in your state. You can find this information easily on Kraken's website. Stay informed. The world of crypto regulations is constantly changing. So, keep an eye on updates from Kraken and stay informed about any changes in your state's laws. Consider alternatives. If Kraken isn't an option in your state, don't despair. There are other reputable cryptocurrency exchanges out there that might be available. Just be sure to do your research and choose a platform that's well regulated and secure. Setting sail on your crypto voyage. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also important to navigate it responsibly. By understanding the regulations in your state and choosing a reputable exchange like Kraken, if it's available, you can set sail on your crypto voyage with confidence.